Hello everyone, it's Sterling here from Day Trading Forex Live. If you spend 5 minutes with me, I think I'm going to show you what I believe is the most valuable tool that any Forex trader can have. And understand that this video applies to those that scalp, those that day trade, those that swing trade, those that position trade. I don't care if you're trading off the 1 minute chart or the daily chart. I can promise you what you're about to see is, in my opinion, the most valuable tool that any Forex trader using any strategy can get their hands on, especially if you're still working towards profitability. So I'm going to explain this real quick and show you the power of this tool called Forex Tester. Forex Tester, in the 5 years I have run Day Trading Forex Live, I have never sent an email out referring people to a product. Why is that? Well, it's quite simple. If you guys have been around this market for long enough, you know that most things are junk. This is the first time in 5 years I have ever referred people to a product. That should say something to how firmly I believe in Forex Tester. In the next minute, I'll show you why. What we're going to do here is I'm going to start a test. So you come up here, you click Start Test. Let's say I want to set my start date to, let's just say the first of the year for 2013. So I'm going back from the current date about a year and 10 months. And what Forex Tester is going to do is it's going to load all the data from that date. It's going to load all the data from that date of the first of the year in 2013, and it's going to start playing the chart here. I'm on a 15-minute chart right now, and what I can do is I can speed up the movement. Right now it's showing 1-minute ticks, so every 15-minute candle is made up of 15 1-minute ticks. What's nice about this is I can actually pause it. I can come up here and I can select 15-minute. So what that means is that instead of doing 15 1-minute ticks, it'll do one whole 15-minute candle at a time, and it looks something like this. Obviously the chart's going way too fast to trade, so you can slow it down how you like. You come up here on the scroll bar, slow it down. You want to go even slower, well, you come back even slower. If you want to slow it down even further, you simply pause it, and you can come up here and you can manually move it forward one candle at a time. Every click, one candle. As you're starting to see, this is about as realistic as you can get. The reason people like Tiger Woods, the reason anybody that is great in their field is great, is because they put in massive amounts of practice. Go read some stories about Tiger Woods. There's stories of him literally spending 4 hours in front of a mirror practicing one specific aspect of his backswing. Now imagine that, 4 hours in front of a mirror. He spent like 2 hours that night. He woke up in the middle of the night in between tournaments when he had to go to the bathroom, spent another 30 minutes practicing in front of the mirror, and then he woke up extra early before a tournament and spent another hour and a half practicing in front of the mirror. That's what made him great. Now I don't care what field or what sport you like, football, basketball, tennis, whatever it is, the reason the greats are great is because they spend a massive amount of time practicing. So for us as Forex traders, this is our ability to get into the batting cage. This is our ability to go to the driving range. This is our ability to actually practice what we do. The biggest limitation new traders have is that they have a strategy. Maybe they understand the strategy, but they have to wait until the next day to start applying the strategy. And then a whole day goes by until they can learn to do it again. With this, you can literally go through a week or a month's worth of price action and apply that strategy, really refine what you're doing. And you can do it in a matter of hours. You can go through days in a matter of an hour. So again, like I said, it doesn't matter whether you're trading off a 1-minute chart or a daily. You can do the same thing. You want to go out to a daily chart? Well, you simply click daily, and now you're on a daily chart. And what you can do is you can come up here, you can click on daily again, and now you can click one forward, moves an entire day. And you can continue to do so as much as you like, and you can apply a daily strategy. If you're a scalper, you go to a 1-minute chart, and let's say you want to do one candle at a time. Well, you come up here and you click, again, one candle at a time. It moves forward. That was a gap over the weekend. And it moves forward, and you continue to push forward one candle at a time. Again, going back to a 15-minute chart. Whatever chart you're trading on, the application is there. I don't care what strategy you use. I don't care what time frame you trade on. I would highly recommend looking into Forex Tester. The reason I recommend it to you now is because they are offering a huge discount on this. It's a one-off sale. In other words, you buy it once, you have it for your entire trading career. If you don't have Forex Tester, go check it out, guys. I would highly recommend it. I've never recommended a product in 5 years. So I think that says something about how much I believe in this and how much I believe in its ability to help you as a trader, help you learn to apply whatever strategy you are trying to learn how to apply. So the last part, and probably the most valuable part of Forex Tester, which makes it as real as possible, you can see that the chart's moving, and obviously that makes it very real as the chart is fluctuating. But here's the real power of it. You're able to come up here, you're able to click new market order, or you can use a limit order, whatever that you use in your own trading. If you're trading a daily chart and using limit orders, you can do that. If you're scalping and you're using market orders, day trading using market orders, whatever it is, you can come over here and you can click buy. You click buy, it places the trade and it places it down here. You can see your profit and loss moving. You're able to use the position size that you'd use on your own account, and you're able to see the profit and the loss, or the P&L, continue to fluctuate as the price moves. So let's move this into high gear here, and let's see the price fluctuate. You can see it's obviously moving extremely fast because I've sped the chart way up. And you can let it go. You can let it go and close it out according to your strategy. Let's say that your strategy shows you closing the trade right now. You come down here, you can click close the trade. As the trade's running, you can also modify the trade. You can come up here, you can set a stop loss, and what's nice about that is as you're setting your stop loss, you can see the stop loss move up. So if I want to go to one spot 33.50, it'll move up to one spot 33.50. If I want to set it at 70, you can see it fluctuate, you can see it move. Very easy to do. And again, if you want to close an order, you just right click on it, click close order. What's nice about this as well is it shows you the exact buy candle, it shows you the exact sell candle. That is huge. You're able to go back over this past data, see exactly where you bought, exactly where you sold, and really there's nothing that comes this close to replicating real trading. If you want screen time, if you want to get literally months or years worth of screen time in a matter of hours and days, nothing replaces sitting there and honing your skills over and over and over again. If you're serious about making a living in the Forex market and you don't have an application like this, then in my opinion, you're really doing yourself a massive disservice. So again, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you go out and you get Forex Tester, you start putting it into practice, because as Forex traders, the more effort that we put in, the more time we spend behind the chart. One of the things you hear old Forex traders say, old traders say, is nothing replaces screen time. And I firmly believe that. I've been trading for close to 10 years. Nothing replaces screen time like Forex Tester. So go check it out. Wish you all the best in your trading.